Your liver might be screaming for help, and you wouldn't even know it. But here's the good news. These 8 everyday foods can quietly heal it, meal by meal. Think of your liver as your body's built-in detox machine. It filters toxins, balances hormones, and even helps digest your food. But in today's world of processed snacks, sugary drinks, and late-night stress eating, your liver is under constant attack, often without any symptoms until it's too late. So, in this video, we're breaking down 8 science-backed foods that can naturally repair, protect, and even rejuvenate your liver. You'll learn not only what they are, but exactly how they work, and how you can add them to your daily routine without giving up the food you love. Stay until the end, because the last food on this list is something most people avoid, but it's actually one of the most powerful liver protectors ever studied. Your liver is like that friend who does all the hard work behind the scenes and never complains. It cleans your blood, processes nutrients, and breaks down toxins from alcohol, medicines, and even air pollution. But when it's overwhelmed by fatty foods, too much sugar, or constant stress, it starts storing fat. That's how fatty liver disease begins, and over time, it can lead to inflammation, scarring, or even liver failure. Here's the thing. Your liver has a superpower. It can regenerate itself, but only if you give it the right fuel. Number 1. Coffee. If you thought coffee was bad for your liver, think again. Multiple studies, including one from the Journal of Hepatology, found that people who drink coffee daily have a much lower risk of liver disease, cirrhosis, and even liver cancer. Coffee works by reducing inflammation and preventing fat buildup in liver cells. It also boosts levels of glutathione, a powerful antioxidant that acts like a protective shield for your liver. So yes, your morning cup might be doing more than waking you up. Just skip the sugar and heavy cream. Your liver likes it black. Number 2. Green tea. Green tea isn't just for relaxation. It's full of catechins, antioxidants that help your liver burn fat more efficiently and protect it from toxin damage. A review from the International Journal of Molecular Sciences showed that catechins can reduce liver enzyme levels, a key sign of liver stress, and even reverse some fat accumulation. To get the most benefits, go for freshly brewed green tea, not the bottled sugary versions. 1 or 2 cups a day is enough to make your liver quietly say, "Thank you." Number 3. Leafy greens. Spinach, kale, arugula, and dandelion greens are loaded with chlorophyll, which helps clean heavy metals, pesticides, and environmental toxins from your bloodstream, taking the load off your liver. They're also high in nitrates, which improve blood flow and support the liver's natural detox pathways. If you struggle to eat greens daily, try blending a handful into your morning smoothie or sautéing them with garlic and olive oil. Think of them as your liver's internal cleaning crew. Number 4. Garlic. You might not love its smell, but your liver sure does. Garlic contains allicin and selenium, 2 compounds that trigger your liver's detox enzymes and help flush out toxins faster. In one study from the World Journal of Gastroenterology, garlic consumption reduced liver fat in people with non-alcoholic fatty liver disease. Try adding a crushed clove of raw garlic to your salad dressing or stir-fry. Just don't go overboard. Your coworkers might not appreciate the detox aroma. Number 5. Fatty fish salmon, sardines, and mackerel are rich in omega-3 fatty acids, which fight inflammation and help prevent fat buildup in the liver. Studies show that people who eat omega-3s regularly have lower triglyceride levels, better insulin sensitivity, and improved liver enzyme markers. If you don't eat fish, you can still get similar benefits from flax seeds, chia seeds, or a quality omega-3 supplement. Your liver will thank you by processing fats more efficiently, and you might just notice your skin glowing a bit more too. Number 6. Turmeric. Turmeric isn't just a spice. It's medicine in disguise. The active ingredient, curcumin, has strong anti-inflammatory and antioxidant powers that protect your liver from damage caused by toxins, alcohol, or fatty buildup. In one clinical trial published in the Journal of Food Science, patients with liver disease who took curcumin supplements showed improved liver enzyme levels within just 8 weeks. The key: pair turmeric with black pepper, which boosts curcumin absorption by up to 2,000%. Add a pinch to soups, curries, or even your morning latte for that golden glow inside and out. Number 7. Beets. Beets are like a natural detox drink in vegetable form. They're full of betalains, pigments that help reduce inflammation and stimulate bile flow, your liver's way of flushing out toxins. Beetroot juice has even been shown to reduce oxidative stress and improve liver enzyme function in animal and human studies. Try roasted beets, beet smoothies, or even beet hummus. They're not just beautiful to look at, they're like a spa day for your liver. Number 8. Berries. Blueberries, cranberries, and raspberries are rich in anthocyanins, antioxidants that give them their bright colors and powerful healing abilities. Studies in the World Journal of Gastroenterology show that berries can reduce inflammation and block the development of liver fibrosis, basically preventing scar tissue from forming in your liver. A handful of mixed berries every morning can do more for your liver than most detox teas or supplements ever could. Now, here's the twist. Even with all these amazing foods, most people still struggle with liver issues. Why? Because they're quietly undoing all the benefits with too much sugar and processed carbs, late-night alcohol binges, overuse of painkillers like paracetamol, chronic stress and lack of sleep. Your liver is like a sponge. It absorbs everything. And when it's full of toxins, even healthy foods can't do their job properly. So while you're adding liver-healing foods, you also need to cut back on the stuff that's quietly harming it. Think of it like cleaning your room while someone keeps throwing trash inside. It's pointless unless you stop the source. Here's the good part. Your liver can regenerate fast. In fact, if you start eating these foods regularly and reduce processed junk, you can start seeing improvements in just 2 to 4 weeks. You might notice more stable energy throughout the day, better digestion, clearer skin, less brain fog, and even better sleep. That's your liver saying, "Finally, I can breathe again." Here's the surprise I promised. Eggs. Yes, they've had a bad reputation for years, but eggs, especially the yolks, are packed with choline, an essential nutrient that helps your liver move fat out instead of storing it. Choline deficiency is one of the hidden causes of fatty liver disease. So if you've been skipping eggs thinking they're unhealthy, it might be time to invite them back to breakfast. Just choose boiled or poached eggs over fried ones. You don't need a detox drink or a 7-day cleanse. You just need consistency and the right food choices. Your liver has been taking care of you since day one. Maybe it's time you return the favor, quietly, one meal at a time. If you found this helpful, don't stop here. Watch the next video on early warning signs of fatty liver disease you should not ignore.